This is how to trade crypto or forex. As a newbie, this is a full guide on how to trade currencies, which is forex or Bitcoin. Okay, so basically what you have to do, number one step, beginner step, if you're a newbie, don't just come to learn trading because you need money. Okay, I know you want to make money, that's why you want to learn how to trade. Okay, that is a very powerful skill. It's a very powerful skill. But for you to know how to trade, first of all, number one, you need basic understanding how this works. Today I will give you a tutorial guide on how to trade currencies. Number one, have a broker. If you are trading gold, you want to trade, you can trade gold on exchange though. You need exchange, you need brokers. So any one of your choice. Exchange give some benefits, some preferences, while brokers give other preferences. So it depends on whatever you want, the interface, whatever you understand. If it is a broker you understand better, you can use it. If it is an exchange that you understand better, use an exchange to trade. Currently, you can use Binance, Bybit, OKX, MEX, and a lot of other exchanges. You can use them for trading gold, forex now. And there's metals, particularly metals or forex. So if you want to trade, the first step, let's write it down. Number one, broker. You need a broker, which is either MT5. You can use that. You can use FBS. You can use a lot of them. If you want me to give you reputable brokers, let me know in the comment section. You need broker. Broker is somebody that a middleman that allow you to use your capital to trade the market. That's what we call broker. It's a middleman. Let's say you are living in Europe, for instance. For you to use your euro to trade currencies like gold, you don't have to go to China. Okay, from Europe to China. Let's say you live in England, you'd have to move from England to China. Okay, just to trade gold. Okay, gold spot prices. What you can do is that let's say you have $1,000, you have $500, you have $2,000, $100,000, and you want to make, that people make money from trading, and you want to invest in it, or you want to scalp the market. Particularly, most people they trade, they scalp the market. So I don't encourage that, but a lot of people do scalp. You can make money from that as well. So what you have to do is that you have to deposit your funds into a broker. Okay, now if you want me to give you a broker or an exchange where you can trade gold or cryptocurrency, now if you want to trade cryptocurrencies, you need an exchange. Okay, an exchange like Bitcoin is mined all over the planet, all over the world via computers. It's a computer money. Okay, so if you want to trade crypto Bitcoin particularly, you need to register on an exchange. So if you need an exchange, now secondly, look at it. Exchange is where you usually exchange your fiat to cryptocurrencies, either Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Tron, Ton, a lot of them, thousands. There are currently thousands of cryptocurrencies in the internet, thousands, if not millions. There are up to millions of cryptocurrencies in the internet. But most people know that only Bitcoin exists. They don't know that BNB exists. They don't know that Ethereum exists. They don't know that Ton exists. A lot of cryptocurrencies exist which we trade in this channel. We have talked about them in this channel, okay? And we have talked about as well how cryptocurrencies come into existence. I've talked about them in one of our videos. Go check it out in this channel if you want to know how cryptocurrency exists, okay? Also, I've explained the basic things you need. You need a broker or an exchange that will help you facilitate your transaction. If you want to buy, you want to hold for either for investment sake or for trading sake. This is basically for traders. If you want to scalp, particularly to make little funds, little gains, you need understanding of the market. Let's say you want to trade gold. No, let's go BTC. Now let's go to chart. Let's say you want to trade Bitcoin. You need to understand the market. You need to understand the market. Okay, you need to understand the market if you want to trade any asset. This is my history. You can see this is $340 profit on FounderNext trading account. Okay, so for those of you that are currently learning how to trade, this is how to make profit on the market. Number one, understand an asset. This is Bitcoin. BTC is abbreviation for Bitcoin. Okay, so for those of you that don't understand, want to trade any asset, number one, you need to understand the token or the currencies or the asset you want to trade. There are companies as well. You can trade companies as well. Let's say Meta is a company. Nvidia is an asset, is a company that's in charge of building robotics, and is charge they are investing in AI basically. So you can invest or trade assets. Let's say you said that this Nvidia is falling this month, or they are falling this week, they are falling this day today. They have a bad news, or they have something not good in their company. You can decide to sell their asset in the trading in the broker platforms that you make money. Then let's say there's a good news coming into Nvidia, for instance, the AI company project. You can decide to long, which is buy. You can buy their asset, their portions of asset. Let's say 0.01, which will cost you around $10, $5, $0.5. Some can cost you up to $550 to open a lot. Okay, so this is what you need to get started. You need capital. Number one, you need a broker. Number two, number three, you need understanding. You need to select an asset. Number four, you need to understand the asset you are trading. Don't just go and say, I want to trade Bitcoin because I'm trading it, or because you see somebody trade Bitcoin, you just want to trade it. No, you are just playing. Understand what you are trading. Okay. Number two, let's say you are trading gold. Don't say I'm a good trader, I'm a professional gold trader. No, you need to understand what is gold. Whatever happened to gold in real life happened to it in the physical market, in this market here, which you are seeing. Okay, so if you are trading it because somebody you saw online, or an influencer, a trading influencer is talking about it, that I make $100 on gold today, you want to imitate him and trade, you will lose your funds. Any amount of money you have, you will lose it. Okay, let's say you have